America is changing. For millions, the old rules, work hard, save, retire, don't work anymore. Wages are stuck, debt is everywhere, and the dream out of reach. But there's a new movement, a new blueprint for wealth, one built on speed, creativity, and digital leverage. This is Generation Wealth. And today I'm giving you the exact playbook to go from zero to your first $100,000 online. Step 1, skill arbitrage. You don't need money. You need skills people pay for. Copywriting, design, coding, even TikTok editing. But here's the hack. Don't master 10 skills. Master one micro skill, not video editing, but YouTube Shorts editing for real estate agents. Hyper niche = high demand, low competition, that's your ticket. Step 2, digital leverage. Once you earn your first $500 online, don't spend it. Reinvest. Build digital assets, ebooks, templates, AI prompts, online courses, things that sell while you sleep. This is the shift. Trading time for money. Trading systems for money. Your first $100 online proves it's real. Your first $10,000 online proves you're different. Step 3, monetize attention. In America, attention is currency. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, every post is a digital lottery ticket. But don't just post trends, post solutions. Teach what you learn, share your journey, document the hustle. People follow realness, and brands pay for trust. That's sponsorships, affiliate deals, and product sales without a storefront. Step 4, e-commerce without inventory, drop shipping, print on demand, Amazon Kindle publishing. You don't need a warehouse, you need Wi-Fi. AI makes store building faster than ever. But here's the truth. 90% fail because they chase products. The winners chase audiences. Sell to communities you already understand. Gamers, fitness junkies, sneakerheads. You don't just sell products, you sell identity. Step 5, scale with investing. Your first $50K online, that's not freedom, that's foundation. Stack it into ETFs, dividend stocks, and income-generating assets. Because wealth isn't what you earn, it's what you keep. Generation Wealth doesn't just hustle, it multiplies. This is the playbook. Step 1, learn a niche skill. Step 2, build digital assets. Step 3, monetize attention. Step 4, sell without inventory. Step 5, invest and multiply. $0 to $100,000 online isn't a dream anymore. It's a choice. And in this new America, the wealth gap is digital. You're either building your future online or you're being left behind. This is Generation Wealth. If you're ready to escape the 9-5 trap and build real financial freedom, hit subscribe. Because your first $100K online is waiting.